Tarot and cosmic planetary predictions for Pisces 2026. So the first card we have for you is the High Priestess. So which shows there is going to be an elevation in your career path, a promotion is indicated, finances are going to be gained, but there is also a shadow side towards you. So you need to do that inner child healing, introspect, meditate to gain that inner wisdom and shut down those external noises. So believe your own gut. Do not believe anyone else, because that can lead you in the wrong path. If you have always felt emotionally sensitive or dreamy, because that is your characteristic, you can get confused between your intuition and illusion. So this year you will be able to get clarity there. And you will also start absorbing other people's emotions in a much better way, so that doesn't affect you. The answers that you seek are already within you. So again, go inwards. This year can bring in more heightened intuition and good luck through this. The second card we have for you is Ten of Cups. So here you're going to build a family. Deeper spiritual awareness is going to come, and you can see a lot of golden cups. So you're going to make a lot of money, and whatever decisions that you take for your family as a whole will be more accurate and will be life changing for your family. So beware of the same. This card also denotes emotional fulfillment, harmony and happiness in your lives. The third card for you is Judgment. So here this is like justice coming in, and whatever you've been waiting for till now, you are going to achieve that. So there's strong family and relationship bonds that can heighten, and sense of emotional peace coming in. Singles who are waiting for reciprocation in love can get that particular commitment and reciprocation in and around May 2026, because of Jupiter in Leo in your 2nd and 8th house, and there's going to be emotional healing within the family. This year, any chronic illnesses, you need to start taking alternative therapy. So that is also one more sign which this particular year, because of the Chiron, the wounded healer coming in your 8th house. This year is also where your old cycles will finally end, and there will be a karmic awakening. So life calls you towards your true purpose. You step into a more authentic version of yourself. There will be forgiveness and closure if you've been waiting for something of that sort in 2026. In and around the first quarter, there'll be life-changing decisions, and you are not being judged, and always remember that you're being liberated over here. Certain cosmic alignments affecting Pisces in 2026. We have Saturn in Mars, which is again opposite Jupiter, so which will include more of work related aspects getting elevated. Your daily routines can change. You're going to become more aware of your health, and there'll be improvement in work conditions. Work culture can change, and you're going to be more into charity, because you will feel that growth is only through service to others, and that will again add on to your positive karmas. There'll be more focus on physical and mental health, and small daily changes brings in long-term awards for you. We also have Saturn, the planet of structure and discipline, which is a major life-shaping transit for you throughout this year. So this moves through your sign, asking you to basically take responsibility for your own life direction. So here you will become more aware and more inward while setting emotional boundaries. You will become emotionally mature and spiritual as well. The eclipse in August 2026 is going to affect your 7th house. So sudden shifts can occur in your partnerships or relationships. So around that time, avoid any major life-changing communication. And how you show up in the world will also be affected during this time. So stay low-key during this eclipse time. You can also use blue aventurine or labradorite, and for clarity purposes, you can even do something like sprinkling cinnamon powder in every corner of your bedroom during this eclipse time to elevate positivity in your life. So Pisces 2026 is not about losing yourself in others, it is about finding yourself fully.